Our second song is Ebenezer Sneezer. We're going to start this song on not the black keys, but the white key. This sticker will come later, but that might help you. You're going to say the whole text, Ebenezer Sneezer, all tapping on that first note. So each line of the song is going to have taps on one note. So we'll go, Ebenezer Sneezer. And this is a tiny little knocking motion instead of the big dips, but a real close but still relaxed wrist. Ebenezer Sneezer. Move up to the next note. Topsy-turvy man. Move up. Walks on his elbows. That's a tricky one because we're going to hold the first note longer. Walks on his elbows. Move up. Every time he can. Move up. Dresses up in paper. Move up. Every time it pours. Move up. Whistles Yankee Doodle. Move up. Even when he snores. So we'll end on the same kind of key as we began with. Now you're going to repeat this top key and say one syllable per note going down. Oh, Ebenezer, what a man. And you end on the note where we began.